we're doing smoked chuck roast. Now, I've done this once before, and man, it turned out so good. And it's super simple. I got the pellet grill already started up here. We got some hickory pellets going in it. We got roughly about 2 pound chuck roast, a little over 2 pounds. We're gonna season them things up, put them on here, cook them. They're gonna be so juicy and tender. Man, these things are gonna be great. Let's get to cooking. But before we get to doing this, be sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Hit that bell notification, as you never know where we're gonna go do, cook, what we're gonna do next. And hey, leave us a comment down below what you think. And let's get this thing started. Now here's the chuck roast that I found. I actually got these pretty good deal. I got these for $3.50 a pound. Pretty good looking chuck roast. A little over 2 pounds each. So what we're gonna do now is I got some salt, pepper, and garlic. It's basically you mix it up. It's a teaspoon of black pepper, coarse ground, teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Now what I did is I just, I doubled and tripled that amount to get what I needed, but that's basically the amount. So mix as much as you want on that recipe. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it and just kind of cover these chuck roasts with it. Get them good and seasoned up. Now if you have a certain seasoning you want to use on this, that's fine. But we have found this really works good. Gives it a great flavor. So we're gonna get these all seasoned up, get them ready for the grill. The grill is now at the temp, about 225. We're gonna set this thing, just let it just slow cook. We're gonna put 2 of these on here, get them going. There we go. These things are reading about an internal temp of 145, about 150. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take them up and we're gonna wrap them in foil to finish them up. They've been on the grill now for about 3 hours. They should have a good smoke ring built up to them. I had to cut them open to check them. As you can see, they're still good and juicy. So we're gonna get them wrapped up. We're gonna put them back on the grill. Got them wrapped up now. So now we're just gonna let them cook for a while. We're gonna try to get about an internal temp of around 200. And we'll unwrap them, see how they taste. Just check the internal temperature and we're right at 200 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off. And we're gonna open them up and see what we have. Let's get them over here to the cutting board. I do believe they're gonna be very juicy. I mean, look, I hadn't even took them out of the foil yet. Look at all that juice in there. Let's get one of these out here. Let's get this thickest one out. Let's see what we're looking like here. Oh, wow. Look at that, would you? That is beautiful. Bring this up a little closer where maybe you can see it. Oh, I'm losing some juice here. Tell you what, let's get this off of here. Flip it over. Yeah, buddy. Juice just running everywhere. Tell you what, let's go ahead and cut into this. Oh, it's so tender. Yeah. Y'all see that smoke ring? It's just juicy. I tell you what, now it is time to try it out. Y'all seen it? Beautiful piece of meat here. Let's cut us off a little thin strip of it. Here, pulls right apart. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that smoke ring. This thing is delicious. The hickory smoke, that salt and pepper with that little hint of garlic, it's just, man, it's so good and tender. Gonna make a great sandwich. But we have other plans. We're gonna make a smoked beef stew with this, and that'll be another video. But be sure to check it out also. But hey, even if I don't make a beef stew out of this, this is delicious. This is perfect the way it is. Don't need any sauce, don't need anything. Man, it's good. You have to try this. So, I'm probably finish eating this piece here. And while you're still here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you ever even tried this before. If not, hey, give this thing a try. I'm sure you'll like it. So get all that done. Check out our other videos if you want to. We got some other great cooking videos. We got me a smoked mac and cheese, just all kind of things. Check all that out, and we'll see you next time.